Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we're talking about the return of an absolute American icon, the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible. Yes, the legend is back, and it's louder, sleeker, and more powerful than ever. This isn't just a revival, it's a bold reinvention of a muscle car classic that once ruled the roads. Let's take a full throttle dive into what makes the new Chevelle Convertible a beast you have to know about. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you'll recognize the Chevelle's signature attitude. The 2026 model keeps the aggressive lines, wide stance, and mean front fascia, all inspired by the late 60s and early 70s classics. But don't get it twisted, this convertible isn't stuck in the past. It features modern LED lighting, a more aerodynamic body, and carbon fiber accents that give it a futuristic edge. And yes, when that power soft top folds back, it transforms into the ultimate open-air street machine. Now let's talk performance, and this is where it gets wild. The base version of the 2026 Chevelle Convertible is no slouch, powered by a 6.2L naturally aspirated V8, pushing out a strong 450 horsepower. But for those who live for speed, the top-of-the-line SSX trim comes with a supercharged 6.6L V8, producing a jaw-dropping 705 horsepower. That's right, 705 horses in a convertible. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, or for the old-school crowd, a 6-speed manual is available too. 0 to 60, you're looking at just 3.6 seconds. Quarter mile, under 11 seconds. This isn't just a car, it's a street-legal rocket with vintage vibes. But what's it like inside? Chevrolet has outdone itself by blending retro styling cues with modern luxury. Inside the cabin, you'll find bucket seats with retro stitching, a classic-style steering wheel, and dash elements that pay tribute to the 1970 Chevelle SS. But alongside that vintage flair is a massive 13-inch digital display, Bose premium audio, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even a head-up display to keep your eyes on the road while you're tearing up the highway. The 2026 Chevelle Convertible isn't just about brute force, it's smart, too. It comes loaded with brain adaptive cruise control, revolving light automatic emergency braking, shield blind spot monitoring, compass navigation with real-time traffic, cell phone over-the-air software updates, handling, thanks to magnetic ride control, and adaptive suspension, and performance-tuned brakes, the Chevelle feels just as good in the corners as it does in a straight line. You can carve mountain roads or dominate the drag strip, your call. Pricing starts around $72,000 for the base V8, with the high-performance SSX model climbing toward $95,000. Expensive, maybe, but for that price, you're getting a modern-day muscle icon that turns heads, drops jaws, and delivers on every level. Chevrolet didn't just bring the Chevelle back, they reimagined it. The 2026 convertible is bold, loud, fast, and elegant. It honors its roots but refuses to live in the past. This is the kind of car that makes people pull out their phones at stoplights and say, "What is that?" So what do you think? Is this the best modern muscle convertible out there? Would you pick this over a Mustang or a Challenger? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And as always, if you love powerful rides, vintage revivals, and bold designs, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next legendary ride right here on Car Trend. Thanks for watching, and remember, real cars make real noise. See you next time, Car Fire Running Dash.